In a scenario of recession and global inflation, CNC is at its side to maximize the performance of your resources. With our specialized corrective and preventive maintenance, your company ensures more productivity and fewer unexpected downtimes. We serve the leading manufacturers Siemens, Lensa, Schneider, Mitsubishi, and others. Need to optimize your critical automation inventory? We can help. Support for legacy equipment such as PanelView, Magellan, and etc. Supply and repair of CLPs, interfaces, Cinemeric, and drives, including obsolete models. With CNC, you have no headache, quality guaranteed and certified. Visit our website, cnc.net,